Hey everyone, it's Julie here with TipRanks. Today we're taking a look at 3 stocks with unanimous strong buy ratings from Wall Street. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here and happy Friday. Today we're taking a look at 3 stocks across a variety of industries that have one thing in common. Wall Street analysts have unanimously rated them a buy. So today we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what has Wall Street feeling so bullish on the stock's future. We found today's companies using the TipRanks stock screener. Found at the top of the screener menu, with the stock screener you can set a variety of filters. Today I focused in on medium to large market caps with an outperform rating and a strong buy consensus from Wall Street to get our list of companies down below. Just before we get into these stocks, this is a friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's dive right into these 3 strong buy stocks. First up is Clearwater Analytics. They trade under the ticker CWAN, currently priced at $22.80. They are in the green overall in the past year, but like many year to date are in the red, down 17%, though this past week the stock has been making moves upwards. Clearwater Analytics is a cloud-based software as a service provider that is revolutionizing investment management. They offer solutions for accounting, reporting, performance measurement, and risk analytics, helping asset managers, insurers, and corporations streamline their investment operations. Think of it as the backbone for financial decision-making, powered by cutting-edge tech like generative AI. Their next quarterly earnings report is coming up soon on April 30th, and this follows their 4th quarter where the company saw their revenue grow by 28%. Their annual recurring revenue grew to $474.9 million, which was a 25% increase, and adjusted EBITDA came in at $41.7 million, up 39% year over year. The company also provided some strong guidance from the year ahead, expecting revenue growth of 19 to 20%. Just today, an analyst at JP Morgan reinstated coverage of the Clearwater Analytics stock with a buy rating. They noted that 2025 is likely to be a transition year for Clearwater, but thinks asset integration should be seamless given the compatible cloud-native architectures. They believe the company's acquisition strategy should result in a comprehensive end-to-end solution and geographic expansion, facilitating 20% revenue growth. And of course, as you know, the rest of Wall Street agrees. With 9 current analyst ratings, their strong buy consensus comes with an average price target of $36, implying upside potential of 58%. Looking at those price targets down below, they range from an upside of 40% all the way up to 75%. Second on our list is a company that we've chatted about before. That is Genius Sports. Trading under the ticker GENI, they're currently priced at $10.74. This is a stock we've talked about a few times over the past couple of years. The most recent was around October-November. Over the past year, the stock gained 106%. Year to date is up 24% and up a few percent this past week. Genius Sports is a leading provider of sports data technology and services. They collect and distribute real-time sports data for betting, media, and team performance analysis, partnering with giants like the NFL, NBA, and FIFA. From live odd feeds to fan engagement tools, Genius Sports is at the heart of the sports data revolution. Just today, the company announced a significant expansion to their existing partnership with the NCAA. Under the expanded agreement, Genius Sports has been appointed as the exclusive distributor of official NCAA data to license sportsbook for all postseason tournaments, including March Madness, through 2032. Their 1st quarter earnings report is coming up in a couple of weeks on May 7th, and this follows their 4th quarter earnings where the company achieved record revenue and had positive cash flow for the first time. They saw year-over-year revenue growth of 38%, bringing the total year's revenue to $511 million. And 2024 marked the first year of positive net cash flow at $82 million. They also saw their U.S. revenue increase 51%, with successful contract renewals with every major sportsbook. At the start of this week, we had an analyst at Deutsche Bank initiate coverage on Genius Sports, noting the company had defensive characteristics with limited downside risk. They believe that Genius gives investors a playbook to navigate the potential macro uncertainty through a business that is largely isolated from multiple potential regulatory and consumer-related concerns. About 60% of the company's business is driven by a predictable fixed revenue stream, which will grow at a high teens rate annually over the next few years. There are currently 12 Wall Street analysts all rating the stock a buy, and the average price target comes in at $12.05, implying an upside potential of over 12%. Looking down below at those recent ratings, $12 seems to be the popular price target, with a lot of them hitting that mark. The low end has an upside 2.5%, and the high end has an upside of over 21%. If you've made it all the way to our third stock today, then this is a reminder to make sure you've hit that thumbs up button. Last but not least, we're taking a look at Guardeant Health. They trade under the ticker GH, currently priced at $47.86. They've seen some huge growth in the past year, up 175%, 56% year to date, and this past week still in the green. Guardeant Health is a precision oncology pioneer. They develop blood and tissue tests, leveraging AI and real-world data to improve cancer detection, monitoring, and treatment. Their Shield test for early cancer detection is a game changer in the fight against cancer. Just yesterday, the company announced a collaboration with Pfizer. Well, they'll be supporting development and commercialization of new cancer therapies using Guardiant's Infinity Smart Liquid Biopsy platform. They will also be sharing their first quarter earnings report on April 30th, and they also had record revenue in their fourth quarter. They saw their quarterly revenue grow 30% year over year to $202 million, while their clinical revenue and volume surged. They also became the first FDA-approved and Medicare-covered blood test for CRC screening and achieved more than 50% reduction in their cost of goods sold. Just a few days ago, an analyst at Leerink reiterated their buy rating. They noted that Guardeant Health's approach to leveraging their growing sales force to promote the assay is a key differentiator. The inclusion of free multi-cancer detection screening alongside the CRC test sets Shield apart from competitors, particularly as it's the only assay with insurance coverage. Guardeant Health has 20 current analyst ratings, all giving the stock a buy. And their average price target comes in at $56, implying an upside potential of over 18%. Looking at the most recent ratings down below, those price targets range from an upside of about 4% to several up above 25%. So there you have it, 3 different stocks, all with unanimous strong buy ratings. If you want to dig further, head on over to the TipRanks website to learn more about each, and let us know in the comments down below which one catches your eye the most. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so please make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence and sticking to your investment plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you back here next time.